Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead multiplayer. To start your cooperative adventure, you will need two PlayStation controllers, either DualShock 4 or DualSense, and your copy of Cuphead. This classic run-and-gun game is designed for two players to team up locally on the same console. Once you have everything ready, simply launch the game from your PlayStation dashboard. It's a straightforward process to get both players into the action. Once Cuphead is running, the first player will control Cuphead. To bring in your partner, simply connect the second controller to your PlayStation console. You can do this wirelessly via Bluetooth or using a USB cable. After the second controller is connected and assigned a user profile, press any button on it while on the world map. A message will confirm that player 2 has joined, and Mugman will appear, ready for action. In co-op mode, you and your partner, as Cuphead and Mugman, will share the same screen and a single health bar. Teamwork is crucial for survival against the game's formidable bosses. A unique co-op mechanic allows you to revive a fallen friend. Simply parry their ghost before it floats away. This gives your partner a second chance to jump back into the fight, making strategic cooperation key to conquering the Inkwell Isles. While Cuphead does not feature official online multiplayer, you can still team up with a friend remotely using PlayStation's Share Play feature. This allows you to stream your game to a friend who can then take control of Mugman from their own console. Both players will need a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Keep in mind that Share Play sessions typically last for 1 hour, after which you may need to reconnect. This workaround lets you enjoy the cooperative challenge of Cuphead, even when you are not in the same room.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.